From visitmysmokies.com, it's the FUNcast with me, your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Poteet, and we've got some breaking news about summer. It just got wetter. Not in my forecast necessarily, but at this place, Dollywood's Splash Country in Pigeon Forge, they've made sure that you can put some extra time for Splash Country on your summertime bucket list. They know that back to school is just around the corner, so they wanted to make sure every family had an opportunity to visit the famous water park before that summer heat is gone. So here's what they've done. They've added 7 total days to their operating schedule for this year. So now 5 of those days are in the month of August, providing some last chances for families to splash around before summer's in. 2 days have been added to the month of September. September 16th and 17th are now going to be the final days of operation for Dollywood Splash Country this season. Meanwhile, it is a star-spangled summer at SkyLand Ranch. Join them from 6 to 8 Friday and Saturday nights through the end of July for a boot-scootin' good time. They've got line dancing at the ranch. Beginners or experienced dancers of all ages welcome. They're promising both country line dancing and line dancing to your favorite contemporary music, too. And best of all, the line dancing is included in the admission price that you pay there for the entertainment program at SkyLand Ranch. What, you don't know about SkyLand Ranch? That's quite possible because it's only been around since last November. It opened with a $40 million investment that features live entertainment, miniature animals, gorgeous views, a scenic chairlift, and more. It's on a 100-acre farm at one of the highest points in Sevierville. You really can kind of get away from it all. Meanwhile, as we move into July's final week, a reminder that Smoky Mountain Tunes and Tales wraps up at the end of the month of July. It's the chance to interact with costume musical performers, dancers, storytellers, every evening on the streets of Gatlinburg. And as temperatures in the 90s return this coming week, you might want to plot those outdoor activities in the morning and then again in the evening. That's perfect timing for Tunes and Tales. Well, let's look at the timing of the temperatures for the next 7 days. Here's my forecast, which includes a warming trend, that's for sure. There'll be more sunshine around Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. As we get back into the mid and upper 80s by Monday. Tuesday, we're back around 90, maybe into the low 90s. It's going to be humid as we get back into next week, in the middle and latter part of the week, as well as being hot. There's not much chance of storms for a while now. Maybe on Wednesday and Thursday, we'll get a few to pop in the afternoon. Have another update for you soon from visitmysmokies.com.